Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, and display bezel. Removal: peel back the grounding tape that secures the webcam to the display enclosure. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the webcam cable from its connector on the webcam board. Important: make careful note of the orientation and placement of the rubber microphone covers on the webcam board for later replacement. Using a non-metallic flat-bladed tool, carefully remove the webcam board from the adhesive and alignment pins that secure it to the display enclosure. Place the webcam board in a static dissipative bag. Replacement: remove the webcam board from the static dissipative bag. Place the webcam board onto its alignment pins and gently apply pressure to the webcam board to adhere it to the display enclosure. Important: ensure the rubber microphone covers are properly positioned on the webcam board. Connect the webcam cable into its connector on the webcam board and replace the retention tape. Route the webcam cable through the routing channel on the display enclosure and replace the grounding tape.